Hey everyone, this is Kenji López-Alt for Serious Eats in the Food Lab, and if you've been to your neighbor's backyard cookout, then you probably know what I'm about to describe. I mean those hot dogs that are wrinkled and flaccid, and the sausages that are burnt on the outside but still raw in the center. Well, today I'm going to show you a foolproof method for cooking hot dogs and sausages on your grill that are plump, juicy, and packed with flavor. Here's how you do it.
Like any meat, sausages can easily dry out if overcooked, so our goal here is to cook them as gently and carefully as possible in a flavorful liquid. Start by adding a pound of sauerkraut and its juices to an aluminum baking sheet along with a few tablespoons of grainy mustard and a couple cups of beer. Almost any beer will do, just use something that you'd like to drink so that the rest of the six-pack doesn't go to waste. Now stir it all up to combine. Sausages or hot dogs simmered in unseasoned beer will come out extremely bland, so make sure you season it well with kosher salt. Oops, don't forget the bay leaves. Now this beer and sauerkraut mixture is designed for bratwurst and hot dogs, but you can do other flavors with other types of sausages. Try some thin sliced onions and bell peppers along with some apple cider vinegar and sugar for Italian sausages, for example, or some salsa verde with a nice pork chorizo. Alright, we're ready to grill. Now set half the burners on a grill to high heat or place coals under half of a charcoal grill and then slide the tray directly over the hot side of the grill. Cook, turning the sausages and hot dogs occasionally until the liquid is simmering gently. If the mixture starts to bubble too vigorously, slide it towards the cooler side of the grill for a while. Sausages are more forgiving than, say, a lean chicken breast, but a thermometer will still help guarantee juicy results. Cook until the sausages register 140 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit on an instant read thermometer. When the sausages are cooked, you can hold them on the cooler side of the grill until you're ready to eat, and then to serve, transfer them out of the liquid and directly over the hot side of the grill. Cook them, turning occasionally until they're well browned on all sides. They're already cooked through, so this should only take a few minutes. Once they're browned, return the sausages to the tray. You can hold them again here until your guests are ready or until your buns are toasted. Now serve the sausages and hot dogs with some of the sauerkraut, beer, and mustard mixture.